With tons of forthcoming films lining up for release and a flurry of production houses on the rise, we now have the trio of Zayed Khan, Dia Mirza and Sahil Sanga teamed up together for their first production, Love Breakups Zindagi. And to know more about their maiden venture, let's hear it from the actors turned producers themselves.
What happens with production is that, I think with any job, what happens is that you have an estimation of certain things, and the thing that we did, we focused on a lot was pre-production because that's imperative to do. More so because we were first timers, we didn't want to go wrong with numbers, we didn't want to be off the mark with things. But there are always hidden costs that I don't think too many, unless you've made enough films and you have enough experience on the ground, that you would discover. So I think just those discoveries of the hidden costs that I've really okay, we never estimated this.
जब हमने अनाउंस किया प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे कि पिक्चर हम 15 फरवरी को स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और तकरीबन 60 दिन लगेंगे पिक्चर बनाने, और आज मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि सिर्फ 2 दिन बाकी हैं पिक्चर शूट ख़त्म होने के लिए, और एक बहुत ही अच्छा फीलिंग है, एक बहुत ही एक अचीवमेंट सा एक महसूस हो रही है अंदर। और अगस्त में रिलीज़ भी होने वाली है, तो उस मुताबिक अगर देखने जाओ तो सब स्केड्यूल पे है, एंड एज अ फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन हाउस मुझे लगता है इट्स अ बिग माइलस्टोन फॉर अस।
Zayed's character is from another city. My character is showing him the city that she belongs to from her perspective. So it's not your stereotypical postcard Mumbai, it's a more personalized Mumbai. So she's the kind of girl that comes to Mount Mary when she's feeling lonely and lost. She will bring a visitor that she cares for to this place to say, this place is where I pray, I feel really solace.
It's about fun. Having intimate moments, intimate places where Dia's character, as she's this very benevolent sort of woman, and I'm this guy from another city who comes, and I said, मुझे मुंबई दर्शन करवाना है, तो she's like, okay, let me show you Mumbai the right way, and it's always whenever a friend of yours comes out from out of town and you want to show them the hot spots and you want to show them little iconic places,
the eateries,
and it's a romantic song, and it's a subliminal love, I would think, between the two characters.
Romance through friendship.
Romance through friendship. There is an item song, but we cannot say what the item song.
It doesn't have a Sheila or a Munni.
It doesn't have a Sheila or a Munni, but I guarantee you it's something that everybody has loved and is going to love again. At the end of the day, it is a creative business. It's not a number business where you can go with projections and then come out with the right projections at the end. Being a creative business, there's always going to be a little hurdles. There's always going to be that 20% farak upar niche, and that's what we discovered actually as producers out here. Ke, the bureaucracy of the system could help us if it was a little easier. Because just for shooting on a road like this, you have to take 17,000 permissions and then retake them again. But of course, having said that, they've all been very cooperative. But I do hope, considering India is known for its iconic Bollywood and filmmaking, and we export the filmmaking culture.
Our generation should.
I think.
Hopefully, put this request across to the government and say, listen, guys, you need to be a little more flexible and a little more accommodating. I think shooting real locations is very difficult. Because garmi bhi hai, and we are dealing
honestly, we are trying to make it look like as if it's December, and so we have to wear cardigans and sweaters sometimes, and pretend like it's so cold, and
we keep telling each other on set, we're in North America. It's so cold right now. I need this sweater that I'm wearing. So
I think the way this film has been written, just तरह से ये picture लिखी गई है. हर एक सीन एक इवेंट है, और हर एक सीन मुझे लगता है बहुत मायने रखते हैं मेरे लिए या दिया के लिए. And I think every scene was a challenge.
Well, after hearing about the movie from the actors turned producers' perspective, we now have the producer, director and the story writer of the film, Sahil Sanga, giving us his take on the same.
लव ब्रेकअप्स इन ज़िंदगी के बारे में आपको मैं क्या बताऊं? टाइटल सजेस्टेड ऑल। टाइटल में ही बात छुपी हुई है, बहुत ही सिंपल सी रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है। रोमांटिक कॉमेडी सिंपल ही होनी चाहिए बिकॉज आई थिंक रोमांटिक कॉमेडी का जो चार्म है वो मोमेंट्स में होता है। वो जब ऑडियंस टिकट खरीद के बैठती है देन दे वांट टू बी एंटरटेन्ड इन अ लाइट, इन अ प्लीजिंग, इन अ फन मैनर। तो फैमिली फिल्म है, यूथ ओरिएंटेड एंड फैमिली फिल्म है। We're shooting a song sequence today. This is a part of the song where the characters are in Bombay. In the film, the characters travel a little. They're in Bombay, they're in Delhi, they're in Chandigarh. So this is the part where Bombay Darshan is happening. Sorry, Mumbai Darshan is happening. Okay? So Mumbai Darshan is going on. Mount Mary is a very popular place for most people who definitely live in Bandra and even otherwise. I think it has a very serene vibe to it. So the artists, which is Zaid, Dia and Umang, are participating in a little bit of prayer and a little bit of celebration impromptu with another group that is getting married. So that's pretty much what we're shooting. It's a moment for the song. I don't know what a youth film is per se because I mean a film is a film, but yes, जो एक स्पोकन लैंग्वेज है पिक्चर का, जो एक अंदाज़ है कैरेक्टर्स का, बिहेवियर का, वो आप देखेंगे हर जनरेशन से बदलता जाता है। एंड आजकल तो लाइफ इतनी इंस्टेंट हो गई कि एवरी 2-3 years बदलाव आता रहता है। यू नो द SMS lingo has kicked in, viral mediums have kicked in, things have become a lot more instant. So what happens with, I think when all we filmmakers talk about target audience being youth, I think what we've all started acknowledging is that the youth is a very big part of our social demographics. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रतिशत इंसान आज एक certain age group के अंदर हैं. The greatest bracket within our population is within, I think, the age groups of currently 17 to 35. So it's important to factor that in because they are in volume the biggest part of your audience, the ticket-paying public. And ये चीज़ें मन में रखनी पड़ती हैं because you have to speak in a language जो audience को समझ में आए.
Well, with the makers quietly confident about their production debut, let's hope the star cast and their youth-oriented storyline gets them success while helping them make their way to the silver screen and to people's hearts. Bollywood Hungama News Network.